Hello, this is Dr. Chung. Okay, today we're gonna do 2020 AMC 8 from number 1 to the end, okay, 25. Okay, now let's do it. Number 1 over here, okay. Just to quickly understand what the question is, okay. You don't have to read everything, okay. Just select important, the constraint, okay. Right. Recipe is 4 times as much water as sugar. And the next one, twice as much sugar is as lemonade juice. Okay, twice, this 4 times. Okay, so he uses 3 cups of lemonade juice. So how many cups of water? So you're gonna find the water over here. Okay, you can take a look. Lemon juice, 3 cups. Sugar is twice, 6 cups. Sugar 6 cups. This is 4 times. 4 times 6 is 24. Okay, that's the answer. Number 2, you can read the question over here, okay? That for friend, they paid this much. They're gonna split their earnings equally, okay? So that's the question over here, already underlined, okay? All right. So these guys, $40, how much they have to give to the others, okay? So equally divided is the average. So this is a 40, another 20, 60, and 40, total is 100 divided by 4 is $25. So this $40 must be given to the others $15. Okay. The number 3, 6 by 8 feet. She planted the entire garden. Yeah, strawberry plant. Yeah, always 4 strawberry plant. Not strawberries, okay? Number of plants per square feet. Total is 48 square feet. Each square feet has 4 strawberry plant. Times 4 is 192 plant. By each plant, average 10 strawberries. So total number of strawberries times 10, okay? Total is 1920 strawberries. This is the answer. All right, number 4 here. You have an hexagon increased size. Yeah, this first one, second one increased. When you take a look, this is 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 plus 6. Okay, yeah, this way. The next one is each side is increased by 1 over here, right? It was before 2, but this times 3. Okay, so increased by 1. So this one is how much? Maybe you can find pattern. 1 plus 6 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? Twice. 6 more, right? Always 6 more. Because it was a 2 over here. 3 is each side is 1 more, okay? So it is 12. The next one will be 1 plus 6 plus 12 plus 18. That's right, another 6 more. Okay, from here, another plus 6 is gonna be 18. Okay, the next hexagon is this one, right? This is a 37. Okay, that's the answer. 3/4 of pitcher is filled with pineapple juice. 3/4. The pitcher is emptied by pouring in equal amount of juice in 5 cups. The question over here, what percent? That's when you find the percent total capacity, right? Each cup. So 3/4 is how much percent? 75%. Divided by into 5, right? So you can divide 5, 50% each, okay? All right, we have four guys, A, D, K, five guys, okay? Yeah, there are five cars. Each car have only one person, okay? That's one set. So here is questions. There's constraint, okay? Moran set in the last car. So we have one, four, five. That's Moran over here, okay? And Aaron sat directly behind Sharon. So Sharon is over here, Aaron is over here, okay? SA. They put it together. So maybe you can use SA over here or SA over here. There's no SA, right? We have two cases. But out of this, Darren set in one of these cars in front of Aaron. In front of Aaron, only this one, okay? In front of it, there's no more empty set. Okay, at least the one person sat between Karen and Darren. Okay, so Darren is in front of Aaron, right? So Darren is over here, Karen is over here. Okay, so who is in the middle car? Aaron. Okay. Anyway, we don't care, right? This is correct. You can choose Aaron. Okay. How many digits between 2020 and 2400? Four distinct digits, but they must be in increasing order. So when you start the 220, increasing order, the next is what? 2, 3, 4, 5. This is one of December. But this one cannot be 4, right? This is more than a greater than 2400. So from here, 4 is okay. And when you start, this is 4, or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, still okay. Still less than 2400. But the next one may be many choice. It can be 5 to 9. So it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or count and subtract over here, okay? 9 minus 5 plus 1, okay? But this is 5. The next is 6 to 9, 1 less than 4, 3, 2, and this is 1, right? If this is 9, the next one is 0, right? This is not working. So how many? 9, 10, 15. Okay. I think this is better. You don't have to use some combination, okay? Because when you take a over here, this number, all choices are 4 to 9, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 6 numbers there. When you choose 2 numbers, for example, if you choose 5 or 9, you can arrange these numbers in order, right? 5 and 9. That's right. When you choose 2 numbers, that count the one case. If you choose 6, 8, 6, 8 over here, right? So also you can use this combination, 6 combination, or you can use this symbol, right? Same thing. 6 combination 2 is 6 times 5 over 2 factorial, right? That is 50. Also, you can use this one too if you're familiar, right, how to use combinations. But this method is okay. This is the AMC 8. And number 8, the guy says 220 coins, only 1 cent and 5%. Another constraint over here. At least 1 penny and at least 1 nickel. Okay, that's the rule. The difference, greatest possible, least possible. Okay, that's the questions. What is greatest possible? At least 1 penny, right? So 2019 is 5 and plus 1. Okay, that is the greatest one. Least one is 2019 is they are all penny, only 1 is nickels. What's that difference? You can calculate this one, or you can subtract directly, it doesn't matter, okay? 5 over this one minus 1 over this one is 4 of 2019, and the 1 minus 5 is 4. Okay? Also, maybe it doesn't matter, just times 4 and minus 4, okay? Or you can use minus 4 is a common factor. 4 is 2019 and minus 1, 2018, okay? 2018 times 4 is 8,072, right? Okay. Oh, after you calculate this number and subtract, okay? The number 9, we have 4 by 4 cube. You can see the question, okay? I think on the top 4 side, but over here. No icing in the bottom, okay? No. Suppose the cake is cut into 64 smaller cubes. And they're gonna be 1 by 1 by 1, right? Cube. How many small pieces will have icing on exactly 2 sides only? This 3 side over here. That you know, go right. Where are the 2 side from front side, okay? This is 2 side, this is 2 side, and this is 2 side, this 2 side, this all 2 side, this all 2 side. What happened to the bottom? 3 side, no. Bottom is not icing. So only 2 side. This is okay too. How many to the front? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here to 8, the other side also same, right? Same thing. 8. So 8 times 2 is 16. But take a look at the middle side. Middle side, 2 side is what they varied here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? And other one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bottom over here, no, right? Just the plus 4. So 20 is the answer, okay? Number 10, we have 4 marbles A, B, S, T. So she want to display them in a row on itself, but still and tiger not next to each other. How many ways can she done this? So first we arrange the via egg and bumblebee, okay? So A and B separate. So there are empty seat must be here. I'm gonna make it big. Here and here and here, right? So they're gonna sit over here, here and here, or here and here. It's okay, right? So here and here, right? 3 different ways, okay? So first one we can try this one. Tigers, S over here. And also they can switch, right? S and T, right? 2 ways. Or T is over here, S is over here, another 2. Or T is over here, S is over here, okay? And when you switch S and T, another 2, right? So each case, this case has what? 6 different arrangement, okay? Another one is that they can switch A and B again, right? B, A, and this also same situations, another 6. So this is 6, another 6, total is 12 is the answer, okay? Or you can use a combination. We have a 3 seat over here, choose 2 seat. 3 combination 2 is what? 3, isn't it? We can count 1, okay? 1, 2, 3. Each case is what? 2 different arrangements, right? Because they can switch each other. TS or ST. So times 2, that is 6. But this case is 6. And also inside AB, they can switch each other too, right? Another 6. Total is 12. Okay, because number this way too, okay? The number 11. 6 miles away, The question is, what is the difference in miles per hour, that's a unit, mph, between Naomi's and my average speed? Okay, we're over here, right? Average speed. You know what is the average speed? Okay, so total distance over total time, that is average, right? We don't care about what happened in the middle, right? Just right, beginning and last. This 6 miles, it takes what? 10 minutes. 10 minutes is 1 over 6 hours. Okay? So this is what? 36 miles per hour. The other one over here, total still 6 miles. It takes 30 minutes, right? 30 minutes is 1 over 2 hours. That is 12 miles per hour, okay? That's can you find the difference. Okay, 36 minus 12 is 24, okay? That's the answer. All right, here is number 12. Okay, we have a factorial. Represent product, we know that, right? So what is the n satisfy the following equations? This is 9 factorial. This is n factorial, right? So you're going to keep this one a lot of work, all right? I'm going to use this one, 9 factorial. Find this number 5 factorial. What is it? 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, 1. How to get the number 12? 4 times 3, that is the number 12, right? Or the other sum, the other product, how much? 5 times 2 times 1 is 10. That is 12 times 10 times 9 factorial, right? Now you can reduce. Don't touch this one. We have 12 there, right? Okay, combine this one. It's 10 factorial, okay? So option A is the answer. Okay, we have 6 greens, 18 purple, and 12 orange. After adding more purple sock, okay, Jamal noticed that there are 60%. Okay, all right. So you can add over here, right? More purple sock. More, where is it? 18. More is, I'm going to use the x more, okay? So total is now purple is what? 18 plus x. That is the number of what purple, okay? So total number is how much? 36 over here, right? In originally, there are 36, but x is more, so it's still 36 plus x. That is the total number of socks. That's going to be 60% is 6 over 10, 60 over 100, 6 over 10 is 3 over 5, okay? You can use this one too. So cross multiplications, 90 plus 5x, 108 this way, right? Plus 3x. 2x is 18, right? So x is 9 is the answer, okay? All right. Right, number 14. There are 20 cities in the county of Newton. Their populations, yeah, shown over here. Okay. Average population cities indicated horizontal dashed line. That is the average, okay? You know what is the average, right? Total number of population over number of cities, 20 cities, okay? Total number of population and number of cities, 20, okay? 20, that is the average population. Average population is how much is this one? Each one is what? From here to here, 2,000 when you divide by 4. Each grade is 500. There are 500, half of this one, 7,500, right? 75, 750, okay? So 4,000 plus 750 is 4,750. So when you multiply 20, that is the value of x. Okay, 2, 0. So there 0, 50, 95,000, okay? Yeah. Number 15, 15% of x equals 20% of y. All is about multiplication, okay? So percent also a unit canceled out. 15x equals 20y. So what is this one? What percent of x is y? The expression should be x, y over x. Okay, x is moved down over here. That is y over x, isn't it? And this is moved down there, right? So y over x is what? 15 over 20. Okay, when you divide it by 5, 3 over 4, right? Still 75%. Okay. The number 6. We have 5 lines there, okay? Yeah, A, B, C, D, E, F. Display one of this number, okay? 1 to 6. Okay, that's the constraint. And the total of 5 sums, okay? Total of 5 sums is 47. What is it represent by B? What number will be displayed over here out of this 1 to 6? Maybe you can use this one. A plus B plus C, right? That is the sum of this one. Maybe you can say A plus B plus C. This is what? B plus F. Or of this one, A plus F plus E. Or of this, B plus D. Or okay, we have 5, right? Okay, we need one more this side. C plus D plus E, right? When you take a look over here, A is across 2 times. There must be 2A over here, right? 2A. F is also 2, right? There are 2F, okay? That's the count, okay? Anyway, so 2A, how many B? 3 times, right? 3B there. Or you can count over here. 1, 2, 3, okay? And 3B. And the plus how many C there? 2 cross sections, 2B, 2C, okay? D is what? Another 2D. E is what? 2 lines, 2E. And F also what? 2F. Okay. That is total is 47. But when you take it over here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is sum of all these numbers is how much? 7, 7, 7, 21, right? So take a look here. They are all equal number, right? 2D, 2 to the F. Only this is a B plus 2B, right? So actually B plus 2 of this one. A plus, B plus, and the F. That is equals to 47, right? Sum of all these numbers is 21. So times 2 is 42. So B equals 47 minus 42 is 5, okay? That's the answer. How many factors 2020 have more than 3 factors? Okay. So 2020, when you find prime factorization 10 times 202 is what? 2 times 101, right? This is also 2 times 5. But actually this is what? 2 squared times 5 times 101. That's prime factorization, okay? So how many factors? How many factors are there? Maybe you consider 2 plus 1 is 3 times, 1 plus 1 is 2 times, and another 1 plus 1 is 2, right? There are 12 factors, okay? So out of 12 factors, how many of these numbers, how many factors of these numbers have more than 3 factors, okay? So this one is how much? If we have only 2 to square, maybe you can use factors wise, you can use 2 0, 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, they are factors. 5 is what? 5 to 0, and 5 to the 1, that's factors. Another one also 5 to 0, that is all 1, right? Actually, this is all 1. And the 101, okay? So how many factors? You can count over here. 1 times 1 times 1, 1 times 1 times 101. This is all right. Only 2 factors, right? This is only 1. This is 1 and 101, okay? And 1 times 5, 1, that's 5. You can find over here, okay? But if you choose this one, this way, 5 and 101, that is 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, right? That is 4 factors there, okay? So 5 times 100 is 505 has 4 factors. The next one is what is that? If you got 2, you cannot go this one, only what? 2 factors. So 2 times 5 is okay, 10. 2 times 1 times 101 is okay. And 2 times 5 times 101, okay? That's all right. Have more than 3 factors. 2 squared, this is already what, 3, right? So if you go over here, only 3. So you can go right, this one times 1. 4 times 5 is 20. Or 4 times 1 times 101, 404. Okay? And all together, right? All together is how much? This one times this one, and 2020. Okay? So how many factors? How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Factors is what? They all have more than 3 factors. Okay? And also you can use like complementary counting. Okay? So out of 12 factors, how many factors less than or equals to 3 factors? Okay, you can use that complementary counting too. Here is number 18. Yeah, all dimensions are given. What is the area of rectangle A, B, C, D? Yeah, you got the base already. We need the height. How I can get this height? From here, that is 8, half of that, right? This is the center. This 8, 7, radius 17. This also radius 17, right? This is 8, 17. This is 15. Are you okay with this? You have to memorize this one, okay? Pythagorean triplet or triangle, right triangle triplet. So 16 times and 15. That's the answer, okay? That is 80 and 16, 240 is the answer. And the next one, the number is called the floppy. Okay, it looks like this. Alternate. 2020. 37373. It's okay. 3883. No, 3838 is floppy. This is not. This is a 3-digit repeating, right? That is not floppy. So how many 5-digit floppy numbers are divisible by 15? So we can use this one. AB, AB, A. That's the format, right? The number should be in this form. But in this case, A cannot be 0. If A is 0, that is 4-digit numbers. Okay, now check it out. Divisibility rules. 15 is what? Divisible by 5 and divisible by 3. Divisible by 5, last digit is 0 or 5. But 0 cannot be, right? So A is 5. So you got this one. 5B, 5B, 5. Now the next apply divisible by 3. Sum of all digits is divisible by 3, right? When you add all this one equals to how much? 2B plus 5 times 3 is 15. It should be divisible by 3. But this one should be integer, right? Okay. How can you find divisible by 3? This is already divisible by 3. But if this is also a divisible by 3, all together is divisible by 3. But you gotta be careful. B can be also what? 0. If B is 0, divisible by 3. The next number divisible by 3 is B equals 3, right? The next is what? 6. The next is 9, right? So 4 numbers is the answer, okay? All right, number 20. We have 5 trees self-observed. Each tree was either twice or half. Okay. So unfortunately, yeah, the data is missing. Okay, the data is missing. Okay, based on these observations, what was average height of trees in meters? Okay, all right. This is second tree is given over here. If this is 11, what is the next number? Twice or half? The next is twice or half is 11. Twice is 11, same number, or half is 2.75. This twice is 88, half is 22. Twice of this number is 22, we got the same number, half of this one 5.5. Twice of this one 4.5, and half of this one 1.375. That's it. Before that, twice again, that is going to be 20, and the next one is half of this one 5.5, right? They are all possible data. But when you take a look over there, average is given over here. The last is 2. What is sum of the old numbers? Times 5 is 0, right? 0.2 times 5. Last digit, not 0, okay? It's going to be 1, isn't it? Last digit over here should be 1 here. But we already got the 11 of it. That is 1, right? Now quickly find out the last digit. Sum of last digit is now 0. Okay? First try all integers quickly, okay? If not working, you can go into decimal, okay? If you already got the answer over here, 2 plus 2 plus, I'm going to use this one. 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2, right? They're all 0, isn't it? That's it. That's the answer, okay? Don't try to use the right decimal first, okay? All right. So 22 plus 22 plus 22, total is 3 of this one, 66. And another 44, 11 is 55. Total is 121, right? So 121 divide by 5. 2, 10, 21, 4, 20, 10, and 24.2 is the answer, okay? Here is the number 21. We have 64 squares. We start from this point. They can move, right, to the right, to the left. But it should be 7 steps. 7 steps right here. 1 step, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps. That's possible, right? Okay. To the right is what? Cut over here. No problem at all. To the left, if we go this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is okay up to here, right? That is just 7 steps. You cannot go this way. If you go this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 up, no way, right? That's not good. So to the left is what? This is the left side, at most the left end, okay? So you can use right number 1. That's the number of paths, right? You guys know this already. You can start. This is one choice. You should go over here. Another one of it. That's the one choice. This going 1 over here. But this is 1 plus 1. This going to 1 over here. Another 1 over here. Sum of this number is 2, right? So what if this is still 1? So we cannot go this way, right? Okay, we can go this way. That's the left hand. What about this? 2 plus 1 plus 2 is what? 2, 3. This case, 2 plus 1 is 3 also. This going 3 over here, and another 3 over here. But this 3 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 3 is 4, okay? So we cannot go this way, right? Only 4 available over here. And the 4 plus 6, the total number of choices is 10 over here, okay? So 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. This 9 going to the left, to the right. This is 10 and the 9 is what? 19. So last number will be 19 plus 9 is 28 possible paths. Okay, so 28 is the answer. Remember this one, okay? Number of paths. Maybe you can use this one too. 2 by 2. You start from here 1. This is a 1, 1. Going to 1 over here to the right is 1, separate. There's no addition. This from number 1, this 1 going to up here 1, another 1 over here. But this time 1 plus 1 is 2, right? So over 1 over here. 2 going to the right, going to the up. 2 plus 1 is 3. This is also 3, right? This is 1, okay, and another 2 over here, that is 3. So going to 3 over here. So 3 plus 3 is what? 6. Okay? That's the way we can find the number of paths. Or you can use a combination too. This is A and A, B, B. We need what? 2A and BB, right? A, B, B, or A, B, something like that. How many of this one? Repeating decimal, right? I'm sorry, repeating permutation. 4 numbers there, 2 numbers equal, another 2 numbers equal, right? So how much? 6, isn't it? So number 22, this is a logical computation, kind of a logic, all right, computer. Okay, so if we have a number and the number is even, if the number is even, you can divide by n over 2. If this number is odd, 3 times over this number and plus 1, okay? With 6 steps, the final number is 1. This final number is 1. What is the right original number? Okay? Ask for number. If this is number 1, we don't know, okay, which way from coming over here, we don't know, right? So we have to check it out. But you gotta be careful, right? The number is, and it should be even when you use this one. When you use this one, the number n must be odd, okay? Maybe you can start to 1. If this is 1, n over 2 is 1, n is 2, right? N is 1, n is 0. But 0 is not odd. It can be from here, right? The must before that, it should be 2, okay? All right, now, the next is, this is 2. So we have 2 choice, 4 times 4, and this is 2, n is what? 1/3. That is not odd, okay? That's a fraction. So before this number is also 4 only, right? If this is 4, what is the next number? Times 2 is 8. Possible number is 4 is what? N is 1, isn't it? 4 minus 1 is 3, and divided by 3, n is 1. They're both possible. We have 2 possible here. One is 8, the other one must be 1. Now, we have more work. If this is 8, n is what? 16 minus n is 7 divided by 3 is what? 7 over 3, that is not integer, right? So only this one is 16 available. If this is over here, this one, the next number is 2. And the next number is 4, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, one more. So if this is 16, where is this number? 32, and the 16 minus 1 is 15 divided by 3 is 5, okay? Both will be okay. 32 and 5 is okay. This is 4, what 2 numbers? Already 4 there, right? 2 numbers must be 8 or 1. That is just 6 step, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it's the total is 74 and plus 9 is what? 83 is that, okay? Number 23, 5 different awards are to be given to 3 students. Each student will receive at least one award. And how many different ways can the award be distributed? If you have three students over here, but each one is at least one award, okay? So how can you divide? We have more than three over here, right? Five. So how can you divide this into three groups, right? There's one group, two groups, three, right? You can arrange this into these three students, right? So five, maybe three award, one award, another one award. You can divide into these three groups, okay? Or second one is two, and another two, and the last one is one, right? Total is five. How many this combination? How many ways to divide in these three groups? First one is out of five, we choose three first. Okay, five combination three, two left, but we choose one, one left. Yeah, one over one is still one, right? But you gotta be careful. These two numbers are equals. You need to divide by 2 factorial, right? So total is 5 combination 3 is 10 times 2 times and 1 combination 1 is 1 over 2 factorial is still 2, which is equals 10. The next one is 5 combination 2 and 3 left, 3 combination 2 and 1 left, still 1. But still, these two numbers are equal. You need to divide by 2 factorial, okay? That's the formula, right? Okay. So this is 5 combination 2 is what still 10. And time 3 combination 2 is 3. And 1 combination 1 is 1, okay? Over 2 factors still 2. That is equals 15. We arrange into 3, right? 3 times 2 times 1, right? 3 factorial is 6. Each case have 6 different arrangement, right? Total is how much? 25, right? Each case is just 6. So total is what? 150 is that, okay? Here is number 24. So we have an n square grade square tiles. That is one of the example, right? If you have 3 square over here, okay, about the dimension is d. This is d, and when you have a 3 over here, right? S is over here. This is S, or the S, right? Okay. But when n is 24, now this is n is 3, right? We have n is 3, we get over here. But n is 24 over here. What happened? How many tiles there? 24 tiles, right? N is 3, that's over 3, right? So 24 tiles. Okay. And, all right. The gray tiles cover about 64% of the area of a large square, right? Okay. Now we're going to find the area, okay? What is the area of tiles? There are what? 576 tiles. 500, I'm going to write that over here. 576. Each tile says how much? S times S is S squared, right? Yeah. That is the total area of the tiles, grade one, okay? Over entire tile, over here. Okay, entire, how many? This entire over here. How many of this one? There are 24 tiles there. So 24S. How many D? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just one more than number of tiles, right? If the number of tiles is 3, number of D is what? One more, right? Okay. But one more is what? 25D. That is the length of this side. What is the area of that? 24 S plus 25D N square, right? The ratio of this area is what? 64 over 10. I'm sorry, 64 over 100. Maybe you can reduce, but it doesn't matter. You can reduce, okay? Or 16 over 25. You can either of this one. It doesn't matter. I'm going to do this one, reduce one. 16 over 25. You have to solve this way. But this one, take a look over here. Do not expand this one. It takes too much time. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one. 576 is already, we know that 24 square, right? 24 and s square, isn't it? So you can make a square root. What I got? 24s over 24s and plus 25d. That is equals 4 over 5. You're going to find d over s. Okay? So find the relation between d and s. Cross multiplications. So 4 times 24 is what? 96s. 25d times 4 is 100d. And times 24s is what? 120s. So 100d equals minus 96x over here, right? How much? 120. Okay, you can try 4, 24, right? Yeah, 24s. How can you find d over s? S is moved down. 100 move down over here, right? So d over s is what? 24 over 100. Okay, so 24 over 100. You can divide by 4 here, right? 6 over 25, okay? So option A is the answer, okay? The next number 25, where is diagram? Okay, S is all diagram there. S is a square, R is a rectangle. Okay, this is 3, 3, 2, 2, right? This is 3, 3, 2, 2. That's dimension, and 20, 20 is the height, okay? This side is what? 20 and 20. You got the question? Okay. What is the side, the length of S2? Okay. Yeah, the length of this side of the square, right? That's a square. How can you find the square is what? With lengths they are equal, okay? So we're gonna find this. This is what A, that is better. This is B. This is C, right? Okay, using this one, how can you find some equations related these two numbers? Okay, what is the length of this side? A. What is the length of this side? B. What is the length of this side? C. From here, right? That is C, isn't it? Okay, that's it. A plus B plus C equals 3, 3, 2, 2. Now let's do it this way. 220. A, what is the length this one? This is C minus B. C minus B, okay? So A plus C, I'm going to do this. A minus B plus A minus B plus C, that equals 2020. We have a three variable with two equations, okay? So we cannot solve it separate, okay? So from here, we get the value B directly. How? Okay, 1302, okay? When you divide by 2, B equals what? 6, 51 is the answer, okay? Yeah, option A is the answer. Okay, that's all today, okay? Next time, we're gonna review 2019 AMC 8, okay? Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.